Hey New York, this is Clark with NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. Wanted to talk to you about Midea's new window heat pump 9000. This is a window unit that both heats and cools at 9000 BTU. So this is like for a bedroom or a large space living room, kind of ideally situation in New York City. So again, a large bedroom, so medium, either small up to large bedrooms and living rooms. So I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of the Midea window heat pump and how it can benefit you versus traditional heating and like things like space heaters, and also why it's better than something like a mini split system. So let's talk about this. First of all, it is energy efficient unit. Midea notes that it has like a 40% energy savings compared to traditional window air conditioners. So it's it was designed extremely well. And whether you're using it for cooling or heating, you're going to see a impressive performance in terms of energy saving. This is where you're going to save instead of using like space heater. Of course, it has smart connectivity features, and the design is the other benefit is the design. It has is an inverted U, which is so it hangs over your windowsill. Has this very sleek design. This is really the future of air conditioning in New York City, and it's a good opportunity for you to get something that is going to work efficiently and has a great design. It saves space, it's not cumbersome, and it's easy on the eyes. Also, this is very important for people who want to get away from like a lot of the standard or traditional. Maybe you just have an apartment that has bad heating or a lack of heating. You can get away from a lot of these these older legacy type of heating options that were traditionally available in New York City. All right, so in terms of why this is better than a mini split system, for a mini split system, let's say you're dealing with a single zone mini split system, right? You may be looking at about minimum in an apartment for a single zone, at least $7,000, and the Midea heat pump is about half of that. It isn't inexpensive right now, but if you have the money to purchase it, it's worth it. Right now, these units are running about, with installation, purchase and installation, it's about $3,500. So you're looking at the purchase of the unit, delivery to your place, and installation by NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. So you're looking about $3,500, which is half of what you're going to spend on a mini split system. Mini split systems are this Midea heat pump. It takes all of that mini split technology and condenses it. This is the future of air conditioning, and it's here now. So again, we're one of the few installers in New York City who can offer this for you. It's the Midea 9000 heat pump, MAH09H1AGR. If you're interested in getting this installed, please reach out to us. We do need to see your windowsill. There's certain windowsills. Basically, we need to see your windowsill and see if it will fit. Again, it's an inverted U, so it hangs over your windowsill. And if you're interested, please reach out to us and we can help you get this installed for the winter, and then also you'll be able to use it for the summer as an air conditioner. All right? Take care, New York.